Sky News is a rolling 24-hour news service reporting on international news and sport from a UK perspective. Sky News has its main base in Osterley in West London. We have bureaus across London and across the world. 18 months ago, Sky News was broadcast out of a different unit from our Osterley campus. That building needed some work done to it. We needed to upgrade some of our systems. We wanted to bring new innovative systems online, and an opportunity was seen to bring all of Sky News and Sky Studios together in a new building and upgrade at the same time. We chose Ultimatte 12 as part of the VR system, as we needed a system that would work reliably day in, day out, something that would allow us to put various different presenters with different hair colours, different skin tones in front of it and always look clean, always look effective, always look high quality to retain the values of Sky News. We have a very small studio space. There's a lot of green spilling around, and it's very, very useful to make sure that doesn't ever be seen on air. The ability to have various composite keys in cameras allows us to use that virtual environment to its best ability. We project onto the back of our green screen vision so that the presenters can see exactly what they're looking at in the virtual studio. Its ability to deal with a wide range of green tones in the background and still make that key clean is incredibly useful for us. Smart Remote has a number of great benefits to Sky News. The end user is a multi-skilled operator who's usually doing a lot of jobs at the same time, and the ability to have one dedicated remote with an excellent interface means that they can address any on-air issues quickly and effectively. The virtual set was built using an architectural model which we could then import into a graphic design package. When we designed the virtual set, we wanted to continue the tradition of bold storytelling in Sky News. We wanted a sense of scale. We wanted an environment that felt inviting to the viewer and worked with the existing Sky News sets. Some of the best examples of the VR set in use are the various different ways we've used it to tell different stories in a way that isn't possible in a conventional studio. We did a fairly involved piece of work with the Salisbury poisoning story where we took the viewer through various different locations, something that simply wasn't possible since most of the locations were cordoned off. Sky News is unique in that we have a focus on live breaking news. Wherever news happens, we're there. We're bold, innovative and unafraid to challenge.